and a little bit more. I don't know how you like it.
Okay, so we're back on the road glide. I'm headed to Harley. It's about to rain, so this should be interesting. I can push this button right here, and it pulls up my music and my GPS at the same time. I really don't like that it's about to rain. I don't feel like being rained on. I don't know why I just yelled.
Slow down.
What's good? So you know you rolling with QueenSit. I want to give a shout out to all of my followers. Thank you to the people who watched part 1 of this video. We're headed to Harley-Davidson so I can grab an upgrade. It's a nice day in St. Louis even though it's about to rain, but you know your girl's still about to ride this motorcycle. Let's go. Shout out to everyone on my Instagram page who entered the giveaway. I gave away 6 Harley-Davidson new rider course tickets to 6 people who want to learn how to ride motorcycles. Make sure you follow my Instagram. I have a lot more giveaways coming every month on my Instagram page. Check it out.
I keep 100 racks inside my jeans.
Ooh, almost dropped. Okay, I'm gonna sit back and ride this motorcycle a little bit. Enjoy the ride. So as I'm riding on the highway, I notice my bike gets up. I got a nice pull power, but I have a stage 1 kit on my bike. I've been debating on getting a stage 2 upgrade with the torque cams. What do you think? Drop me an answer in the comments. Should I upgrade my bike to a stage 2 or should I leave it at stage 1? Is stage 1 enough power or should I go to the stage 2? Let me know. Drop a comment below.
Booty claps, flying across the map, Lambo on the block, looking like a snap.
Okay, so I just pulled up at Gateway Harley-Davidson. This is actually the Harley-Davidson that I bought my road glide from. So I'm pulling up in here to see if I should get this upgrade for my bike. Let me know what you think when I get to it. Hey, how are you? Good, good. Gorman. So I'm at Harley, getting ready to find the parts I need. Definitely gonna check that table out. I need LED lights. A new light. I wanted the LED light, but they're sold out right now. So shout out to Gateway Harley-Davidson for making sure I'm safe on the road with this until I get the one I need. Yeah. So we're about to switch this out. Dang.
Yep, that no good.
Right. So we're gonna switch it out with this one. Thank you for your help.
Yep.
I'm gonna thanks. I want the LED ones though, the bright ones.
Yeah, they are.
Just pop that in.
Yeah. All right, try it. See if that does.
Let's see. Good to go. I appreciate it. All right, let me try to beat this rain. Thanks for your help. Okay, so the Harley didn't have the LED lights that I wanted for the rear, but I'm going to get the Custom Dynamics LED lights. What y'all think? Are y'all using the Custom Dynamics LED lights, or are y'all using a different brand? I need to know. I need to be lit up on the road when I ride, and right now I feel like cars can't see me at night. So I need you to drop that in the comments too. Let me know what LED lights y'all using. I need to know this. Help me out. Okay, last thing. So I'm riding on the highway and I'm doing about 65, 70. And I'm just let y'all watch. Look, check this out. Look what just happened to me on my road glide. Yeah, so this sport bike just flew past me, probably doing like what do you think they're doing, like 110, 120? I'm not sure, but I literally was not expecting this motorcycle to fly past me. I thought I was like cruising and grooving, and all of a sudden this bike came by like crazy. Like, what's the fastest speed you've ever done on a motorcycle? I need you to drop that in the comments. So we got 3 tasks today. Let me know what's the fastest you've been on your motorcycle. I need to know this because right now I'm confused as to why I'm being passed on the highway like this. I got this smart siren. I'm interested to see what this does. If you have this device, please let me know in the comments if you like it. What all I need, I don't even know. I just grabbed it. Thank you for checking out my video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like it, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. It's QueenSit and I'm out.